First one already. Oh my gosh, first cast. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good one, guys. It's gonna be tough finding the current. Oh my gosh. I have to flip it in. Oh my gosh. Here you go, first cast. That's crazy. Get a quick measurement here. Get the live well going here. Might be a good day. Just about 3-pounder. There's one. Not too big. Little guy. Right at the drop. Got a glass where I'm gonna flip it in here. Go. On the Brett's Bluegill jackhammer. Little chunker. Oh, I had one. Dang it. I was still touching my, I was trying to restart my fish finder. I'm curious if there's anything here. I think there's some fish by that rock. There you go. Felt that one. 12-pounder. Woo. Oh, good size one. Oh, just popped out. Probably close to 2 pounds, I would say. Might be a little bit under. Yep, just barely over 2 pounds. See if we catch some bigger ones here. Oh, there it is. Got it. Oh, it's so small. But I fight so hard. Look at that size of it. It's a nice shape. See it, buddy. Alright guys, I just snagged and snapped my line off and just realized I didn't bring my box of jigs, so yikes. I have one left, which is a green pumpkin. I had to throw a black and blue one, but well guys, the one time I wish I had like different sizes of hooks here. These are a little too big for my 3-inch rage crawls here. You can see, I mean, it'll fit, but I think the moment the tailpiece starts ripping up and I had to like adjust or reposition it up more, it's not gonna work too well. So I do have these smaller size hooks for tubing, for tubes here, so I'm probably just gonna use this and we'll make it work. You know, I'm pretty sure the fish is not gonna care too much as long as we have a decent presentation for them. All right, clip off the tag, just leave it on the boat, drop the bopper down, a little more loose sway action here. I'm curious how I'm gonna hook this. I think just, you know, a simple Texas rig here. This thing's gonna get shredded. I can promise you that. It's not gonna last, so I don't think I have too much extras here. Just kind of tuck it in. There we go. Got the makeshift tube Texas rig set up here. Bit on the paws. Oh my gosh, it got off. Wow. That's crazy. Yikes, I mean, it wasn't a giant, but it's a good solid 2-pounder at least. Oh wow. How the heck did it get off? That's crazy. Little one. Little one. Cutie. Probably low 2 at most. Nice one. I was just casting it actually. I wasn't paying attention. 2 1/4 pound. We'll see if we can get some 3+ pounders. We'll let this one go. Thank you, sir. Big old tree stomp. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh my gosh, came back for it. Little guy. Crushed it. Here you go. Little guy. Oh my gosh. Right on the spot. It's going fast. Little guy. Here you go. Getting smaller. It's a little dinker. Oh wow, it's a largemouth. That is crazy. Rarely ever see a largemouth in the Wisconsin River, or at least the river stretch. Flowages, lakes I can see, but on the actual river. Little guy. Little pounder. And a half. Nice. Oh my God, what was that? What the heck was that? I didn't see what that was. Maybe a beaver. Usually beaver will smash their... Oh my gosh. I got it, whatever that is. I thought it was a beaver, but I think that's a muskie. Yep, that's a muskie. Going for a ride. That's crazy. Decent size, maybe mid-30s. I don't think it's gonna push 40, but it is heavy. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be tricky trying to net this guy by myself. Whew. That's a healthy one. It's a really healthy muskie. Got him pretty good. Okay. Let's see if we can get this guy coming here. Oh my gosh, that's a big head. Whew, my arm's getting tired. I haven't fished the river as much. I'm always running to muskies in the river. Oh, the net's just big enough. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's heavy as heck. Oh, this is a really healthy muskie. Oh my god, okay, calm down. Okay, shoreline here. Less current. Let this guy relax for a bit. You can see the muskie's gill there, super exposed. I can tell it's not me just because at the upper corner you can see it's been healing. I don't know if I can flip it over, show you guys. But for sure, this guy's been caught before. I thought maybe it was me, so I was trying to flip it out, but I couldn't, so it's been healing that way. Like it. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, alright. Swim off. It's gonna chill by the bank there. As long as it doesn't go upside down, I think we'll be okay. Falling upward, going to the grass there, just relaxing, chilling. I think that's a good sign. It's just chilling there, resting up. Whew! Oh man, that was awesome. Guys, this muskie's just still chilling here, and a decent sized smallmouth just jumped right there. Whew. I don't have my chatterbait still all loose right now. I'll see if I can catch a smallie and kind of just hang out with the muskie here, make sure he's all good to go. Did I get it? Nope, it's a twig. It's a twig, y'all. This twig got me good. Hey, buddy. Can you help me catch a smallie here? We made it back, y'all. We made it back. Whew. Peace out. That was fun.